Cody Z, dam line of Laramie, Aruba Island, and Comedian. The oldest offspring of Cody Z's sire Comilfo plus Z are already performing on 1,50 m and 160 level, such as London Denise, Cordis Totalis Z and Chapeau PS Z. In the second generation, the progenitor of Grand Prix jumping horses Echo van Spieveld brings in his performance genes. This dam line traces in the fourth generation back to a half-sister of the Grand Prix show jumper Laramie, ridden by Johann Heinz. Other 150 and 160 level performers which originate from this dam line are Aruba Island, Comedian, Clio Z, Garmex Z and Cello Z.